Magandang morning mga kabaliwan! We slowly completing the Mandalorian suit. So if you did not watch the last videos, do subscribe and check the video links under the description or the end card of this video. So now we are going to make the Mandalorian vambraces, or some would say gauntlets. Here I am making the pattern freehand. Then using a contact cement, I fold them back together to create the basic structure of the vambrace. Again, all the details that I do is based on what I see online. Just check the internet for your reference photos. I am using a 4mm thick EVA foam and a super glue. Sometimes I use contact cement. This part here is I combine both 2mm thick EVA foam. The other foam has the grill design, while the other one is just plain sheet of foam that will be placed at the back of the grilled foam for you to have this look. Then I am making the comm system, the projector, and some of the control buttons that I do not understand what are these for. I am using a bus ticket puncher for the buttons and a 2mm EVA thick foam for the material. Place them carefully and use a super glue for this. Just continue adding more details by looking at your reference photos on the internet. For the main body of the whistling bird weapon, I am using an empty silicone sealant container and a plastic paint bottle cap. For the nest of the birds, I am using a soldering rod. Now to add more details, fold a 2mm thick foam like this for you to have this tiny tubular form for the whistling bird main body. Now we move on to the right vambrace. I decided to add a hidden blade for this. Yes, the look of this right vambrace will not have the exact look of the actual Mandalorian vambrace. Because of this simple mechanism, well, the vambrace will look much bulkier compared to the original design. I need to sacrifice the look just to incorporate this hidden fat blade. Here I am making a special port for the switch of the blade. All is made out of wood. The blade is not pointed and not sharp because it is not allowed in any cosplay event. I am using a wooden clothespin for this. It is just a basic simple design that even you can do this. A wood glue will hold the pin. Then, I found this spring in my garage. I am worried it's a bit big and a bit heavy for the mechanism. So I was forced to buy a box of 200 pieces assorted springs because I cannot find a hardware store or any auto parts that sell this one spring that I need. This 8.5 by 47mm spring that will surely do the job. Then cover it up and test if it works properly. Perfect! Then, finally, position the hidden blade on top of the right vambrace. I am using an acrylic emulsion before the paint. First stage is the primer paint, then black paint, and finally, the chrome paint. And for the details, I used water-based acrylic raw sienna. Here we have the Mandalorian vambraces. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for more creative content. Thank you for your support.